What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dame Untamed. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nikki and this is my adventure channel. This week we're exploring another abandoned property here on Vancouver Island. Let's check it out. Alrighty guys, I have just made it to the abandoned mansion slash farmhouse we've got going on here. As you can see, it is an absolutely stunning day here in Duncan. Let's go do some exploring. Peek around the outside of the property, and now I kind of want to go inside and see what's going on in there. When searching for information regarding this property online, what I found was pretty vague and I'm not sure if it's fully accurate. But based on my findings, this property was called the Stone Farm and it was owned by a man named Norman Stone. The property was once a beautiful farm with multiple sheds, a greenhouse, large indoor pool, and a sawmill. After the owner passed, there were disagreements regarding what to do with the property, and it ended up sitting vacant for quite a while. Unfortunately, during that time, people broke in and began to trash and vandalize it. It looks like it's been purchased to develop in more recent years, but nothing has come of it just yet. For now, it remains an interesting place to explore for those who know how to find it. Alrighty guys, that is all for today's video exploring this amazing abandoned mansion here in Duncan. I am super into exploring abandoned places, so if you know of any cool spots here on Vancouver Island, please leave a comment down below and let me know. As always, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out so you don't miss my next upload. I'll see you guys next time.